Okay.
Ciao.
Hello. Now we are very burned. Mikko is peeling. So now it's very clear weather to show best our view. Have better video. Wait, don't go shower because I'm taking video now. I'm showing the villa. There's the bedroom. You can see the bedroom open and the pool, jacuzzi. Now I go inside. Try to show quickly. Inside, living room. Nice wall. Nice roof. Hieno katto. Corridor. There's the views. There's our bed. And the view from our bed. Beautiful view. When you wake up in the morning, this is what you see. And this is all wall, the jungle. Let's go see the huge bathroom with the outside shower and palms. Let's see. There you go. Shower outside. Huge coconut. There's danger that they can fall down the thing. Beautiful bathroom. There. Light. The bathrobe. I bought one for myself, just saying. All over it's just windows, 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 windows. We are very sad to leave. Did I make video upside down? Maybe. Oh, let's go and see. What you see from here. There. That's our hello. Beautiful view. Here's the goodbye letter.